Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Black-eyed Susans. The black eye of black-eyed Susans referred to the dark brown centre of its daisy-like flower head, a member of the Astraceae family and native to eastern North America. It has become a naturalized plant in zones 3 to 9. And while some species of black-eyed Susans have additional names, such as Gloriosa daisies, they all belong to the Rudbeckia genus. Black-eyed Susans grow 1 to 3 feet tall, or more, with leaves of 6 inches, stalks with 8 inches long, and flowers with a diameter of 2 to 3 inches. Butterfly, bees, and other insects are attracted to the flower for the nectar. As they drink the nectar, they move pollen from one plant to another, causing it to grow seeds that can move about easily with the wind. In the garden, they do well in landscapes, borders, butterfly gardens, or containers. Also, they are outstanding cut flowers. Black-eyed Susans are sun worshippers that forgive neglect and are tough as nails. If you want to see more of my episodes, search for the Great North Gardener or subscribe.